If you need to recover your Yearn Finance account but don't have access to a phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Yearn Finance website. Go to the official Yearn Finance website to access the login or recovery options. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Yearn to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Yearn Finance account. This is crucial as recovery instructions will be sent to this email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Yearn Finance with recovery instructions. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password or access your account. Step 5. Set a new password. Once you access the recovery link, create a new password for your account. Ensure it is strong and unique to enhance your account security. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Yearn Finance account without needing your phone number. Always remember to keep your account information secure and updated.